Morning guys, welcome back to Jiron. In the midst of working on the Peterbilt, ended up with this parts truck behind me, and it has become an eyesore around my place that is sitting right in the way of everything really. So today we're gonna see, let's get this freaking thing moved out of the way. I'm tired of looking at it. I'm not ready to haul it back. I do have to return it to the junkyard. They wanted the engine and transmission back, and I really don't need the rest of this. There might be some more parts that I'm gonna end up robbing off it, so I'm not quite ready to load it up and take it back, but I'm tired of looking at it here, so let's move this thing. My thoughts are that I'm going to kind of saddle this thing like we used to do with the tow trucks. I'm going to chain to that front axle there and then drape some chains all the way back here to my hook on the telehandler. And then, yeah, I'm probably going to fuck up the back of this cab, but it is what it is at this point, so not too worried about it. So yeah, let's see if I can get this thing moved. Stuck. I'm gonna crisscross these chains, saddling over everything. Okay, that just kind of worked out right. See there, the first one hooked up there. Let's get this other one hooked up. See you guys right there. Chain number 2 hooked up. These chains have been broken sometime. Here's my grab hook. Oh, give it a go. Don't like how that isn't crisscrossed on something. Let's just see what happens. Looks like we did it. Got some chalk blocks up there. Let's I don't know, let's pull it backwards and see about getting them chalk blocks out of there. Huh?
You poked a hole in it.
I poked a hole in what? Well, you know, collateral damage. Should I leave the chains on or just take them off?
You said you wanted to leave them on.
Well, I want to take our sling off, I guess. We use that all the time. I guess if we need the chains, we know where they're at. It's like a lowrider now. Bound to go back to the junkyard. Hey guys, once again, delaying the axle swap video. Waiting on some more parts. We're getting close. So, just thought I'd bring you a little everyday. Excuse me. Lights around here. So, thanks for watching J Iron once again. I'll give you some more content as quick as I can. It's a really good video on the axle. I started editing it there the other day, and I honestly hope that it's really helpful for everyone. Until next time, thanks for watching J Iron.